Hello friends, my name is Yes Pratap Singh. Today I will discuss यूपी सीनेट 2022 प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर। पहला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि गैमेट्स आर फाउंड इन एस्केरिया कोलाई। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि द फर्मेंटिंग फूड ऑफ म्यूकर इज, आंसर इज सूफू। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है द थ्योरी दैट ऑल सेल्स अराइज फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय, आंसर इज विर्चो। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि मोस्ट स्टडीज हैव बीन कंडक्टेड ऑन दिस प्रोकैरियोट, आंसर इज एस्केरिया कोलाई। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ ए बैक्टीरियम विथ 2 क्रोमोसोम्स इन फाउंड इन, आंसर इज विब्रिया क्लोराई। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग राइबोसोमल आरएनए हैज बीन मोस्ट यूज इन स्टेबलाइजिंग फाइलोजेनेटिक सर्कल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, आंसर इज 16S। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि द थर्मल एनिलिंग इज अ नेचुरल फेनामेना रिलेटेड टू, आंसर इज डीएनए रीनेचुरेशन। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है द प्लाज्मिड दैट प्रोड्यूसेस बैक्टीरियोसिन विच इज lethal to species of the same genus, answer is col E. Next, lysosomes are absent in, answer is mammalian erythrocyte. Next, in chromoplast other pigment replace, answer is chlorophyll. Next, in the F2 generation of a dihybrid cross between yellow round and green wrinkled peas, the genotype YY small r y, capital R small r, small yy, small r capital R represent heterozygous green round. Next, how many linkage group are present in the chromosome of a male, answer is 23. Next, during the exchange of synaptomal complex in 2 pair of chromosome, in which phase of the meiosis is it formed, or answer is zygotine. Next, an enzyme that break down the polynucleotide chain into its component nucleotides by hydrolysis is, answer is nuclease. Next कह रहा है द इनिशियल जेनेटिक कोड इन मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म इज, आंसर इज AUG. नेक्स्ट द एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ मैसेंजर आरएनए इन ई कोलाई, आंसर इज 2 minutes. नेक्स्ट कह रहा है द एंटीबायोटिक दैट इनहिबिट बैक्टीरियल सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस इज, आंसर इज पेनिसिलिन. नेक्स्ट द सेल वॉल इन वुड इज रिच इन, आंसर इज लिग्निन. The structure of jute fiber consists of, answer is phloem fiber. Next, according to Guha and Maheshwari, the first megaspore in pollen is prepared in, answer is Dhatura. Next, the historical behavior where the entire embryo sac developed beyond the ovular tissue is seen in, answer is centellum. Next, the main source of nutrition of the embryo in the ovule is, answer is endosperm. Next, the amino acid deficient in cereal protein is, answer is lysine. Next, elicitors stimulate the production of, answer is secondary metabolites. Next, malolactic fermentation in wine production is carried out by, answer is lactobacillus. Next, in fermentation technology downstream processing referred to, answer is actual recovery of usual substance. Next, Cephalosporium acromonium fungus which produces Cephalosporin is, answer is soil fungus. Next. Prokaryotic organism lack, answer is gas vesicles. Next. The bacteriophage in the T series with a complex tail structure, answer is T4. Mycoplasma differ from other bacteria in, answer is cell wall. Next. Which of the following is a unit of DNA? Answer is chromatin. Next. Which of the following is the property of bile juice? Answer is it contains no enzyme. Next. Which part of the human cerebral hemisphere recognize faces of friends and family? Answer is right cerebral hemisphere. Next. The extraembryonic membrane in mammals is derived from trophoblast. Next. Red tide is caused by dinoflagellate. Next. Which of the following is different from the others? Answer is ringworm. Next. The main component of vertebrate bones is, answer is calcium phosphate. Next. Which of the following animal belong to the phylum Mollusca? Answer is cuttlefish. Next. Honey, which has a high sugar content, does not spoil because, answer is it contains natural antioxidants that protect it from the bacteria. Next. Which of the following protein contained iron? Answer is ferritin. Next. Corpus stantioum is found in, answer is cerebral hemisphere. Next. A rabbit runs very fast and feels fatigue after some times because, answer is lactic acid is produced in muscles. Next. Cells infected by a virus produce a protein called, answer is interferon. Next, the cytoplasmic filament in the striated muscles are called, option is sarcoplasm. Next. During capacitation of sperm in mammals, answer is acrosome reaction occurs. Next. Which of the following is a ubiquitous disease? Answer is influenza. Next. The metabolic product of adenine and guanine in human is, answer is uric acid. Next. Peripatus, is a connecting link between, answer is annelids and arthropods. Next. Which of the following is a hormonal disease? Answer is goiter. Next. The concept of one gene, one enzyme was given by, answer is Beadle and Tatum. Next. The color of human skin is controlled by, answer is polygenes. Next. The thickening of the atrial wall is called, answer is arteriosclerosis. Next. Which blood type contain both A and B antibodies? Option is O. Next. The passive ingestion of blood in amoeba is called import. Next. The paleontology we study, answer is fossils. Next. At the end of prophase, the thread-like structure radiating from each centromere are called, option is kinetochore microtubules. Next. Which vitamin contain the metal cobalt? Option is B12. Next. Which nitrogenous waste in the least toxic? Answer is uric acid. Next. Chloride shift is essential for the transport of, option is CO2, carbon dioxide. Next, the sensory cell in the retina of the vertebrates are, option is cones and rods. Thank you.